What's up everybody? Welcome back to the Alpha Obeisance channel. I know it's been a minute, it usually is with me. Hopefully I can reach a point where I'm making videos consistently. I just have a lot going on with the server, which you're about to see, and I have a lot of stuff going on in personal life that's just kind of getting in the way. But we got a lot of big things changing, so I figured why not do a video like this and get you guys caught up. Now, I know last time you guys saw my studio and my home lab and everything, it's kind of chaos. I was really just getting the one server up and running, the R730. I've done a lot of videos on that, but a lot of things have changed and I'm excited to show you. So for my 35th birthday, father-in-law got me a beautiful SysRack, so we're no longer hanging the servers off of my wall with 2x4s. We've actually got a legitimate rack. It's absolutely beautiful. I'm so happy to have this. And as you can see, I have got my home lab set up. I've got the R730 as my primary right now. This is the 2950, the original one that I had. This is just a little guy. It's even got limited storage. So I'm basically going to use this as my playground once I get everything set up. So the R730, the 2950, we've got a Cisco Catalyst 3560 48 port switch. That is a class 3 switch. So I got that configured here over the past couple days. It's just default right now. We're going to be setting up VLANs, getting that all configured. Once that's good, we're going to set up the mesh network with some Cisco access points. As you can tell, I've just been busy. I've got a lot going on. So that is currently what I'm working on. I've been doing a bunch of homework on the Cisco switch so that I can understand, you know, subnetting and setting up VLANs and all of that stuff, making sure they can communicate with each other on the local area network as well as access the internet on certain devices. Networking is kind of not my forte. I can work with the systems just fine, but I don't really have any networking experience, so it's been a handful. I've been getting a lot of new subscribers lately, so welcome to the channel. If you're seeing this video, I appreciate it. I tried to post somewhat frequently. That's never the case. It's usually weeks, even sometimes a couple months before I can get something posted. But I do have a plan. I do plan to give you guys some tutorials. I really thought about doing a course of just basic Linux commands and working my way up for users that actually want to know how to start getting their hands dirty with Linux. You don't have to use a terminal. You can just install Linux, whatever desktop environment you want, and basically just go about using it like you would Windows. For the most part, we're talking about general users. We're not talking about power users. We're just talking about people that use their computers for browsing the web and other recreational activities, gaming and stuff like that. So for those users that want to learn how to do some of these more advanced things, or maybe you're just curious how to use a terminal and the basics and stuff like that, I really would like to do a course on that, and then just work my way up into more advanced things that I might be able to contribute in terms of knowledge, help people out. I love getting everyone's comments. I really appreciate you guys that actually engage with my channel. Anytime I get a new comment, it almost always guarantees that I'm going to be making a new video at some point, because I like to respond to you guys with a video so that I can actually talk about the topic, the context that you have provided, and it usually makes for somewhat mildly interesting video. So I appreciate it. Thank you. Welcome to the channel. Again, my name's Alpha Obeisance. I'm trying to get my home lab up and running, doing everything myself. I have no formal certifications. I'm just a hobbyist that's really enjoying the headache. And yeah, we've learned a lot since I started my channel. I've learned a lot from you guys, and I've shared a lot with a lot of you guys, and it's been really cool to kind of watch it. You know, it might be turning slowly as infrequently as I post content, but the wheels are still turning, and I love seeing that. So with any luck, I will get my server fully functional. We'll get the Cisco switch completely configured, so I've got all the VLANs, everything's isolated. It's going to help a lot. With any luck after that, we can set up an Apache reverse proxy server. Yes, I know I'm still after all this time, it's been like 6, 7, 8, 9 months that I haven't been able to get this Apache server or Nginx server running. But we're going to get it. I'm learning. I'm just not learning the way that I thought I was going to. It's always something else I got to deal with. So I appreciate you guys. Thanks for watching. I'll try and keep this one short and sweet, and we'll see you in the next video. If you do want to see something specific, just let me know in the comment section below. It's so much easier for me to say, hey, I got to stop what I'm doing, invest a little time to making this video because I want to help this person out if you guys are dropping comments. It's a whole different story if I'm not getting comments and I'm just like, okay, I'm not going to make videos because I am learning and I'm doing this stuff simultaneously. I'm bringing it to you guys more or less no sooner than I'm learning it. So it helps me out a lot because if someone notices that I'm doing something wrong or I could do something in an easier manner or an easier fashion, it's cool when you guys let me know. So it's a learning opportunity for all of us, and it gives you guys kind of the bleeding edge, authentic, like this is what you can experience if you have no idea what you're doing and you're just setting out to learn it. So that's my goal. Take care, guys. I love y'all.